Welcome to the Infinite Mind, where we aim to help you find calm, wellness, meaning, and a happier life by sharing valuable content. Don't forget to leave your comments on the video, like and subscribe to our channel if you find our content useful. In this meditation, we will deal with compassion, thoughtfulness, appreciation for self and others, forgiveness, and love. Heart chakra serves as a central role in maintaining a healthy communication among other chakras for optimal functioning. Before we begin today's journey, make sure nothing will distract or interrupt this meditation, like cell phones or alarm clocks. This moment is only you. You must know that nothing will cause you harm, and you will be completely safe during the following practice. Allow yourself to reconnect. To begin, sit in a comfortable position. Bring your spine into straight alignment, keeping your chin in a neutral position. Slowly roll your shoulders slightly back to open up your chest, placing your palms in your lap, facing upwards, and gently closing your eyes. Focus all of your awareness on your breath and in the space in the center of your chest and a couple of inches inwards, the area known as your heart's energy center. Place both hands over your heart and continue to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Ask yourself, how does it feel to place my hands over this tender area? This place where I experience love for self and others. Continue to breathe slowly and gently as you bring your awareness to the top of your head. Just sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your scalp. Feel the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eye muscles to release. Let your cheeks and jaw soften and let go of all tension. In order to have great self-love, you must expand the good things you feel about yourself and challenge any negative thoughts as soon as they arise. So hear yourself saying, "When I fully love myself, I am able to fully love others. The more I love myself, the better my entire health. I love every moment of my existence. I love and accept everything about myself. Take a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Listen to the sound of your breathing becoming heavier and heavier at every breath you take. Use this moment to focus on your emotions, on how you feel. Focus on your breath to create a regular, soothing, and intimate environment to cultivate a new, improved, mindful, and open mindset. Take another deep breath with a sigh. Rub your hands together and generate a little heat between them. Once they are warm, put them on your eyes. Take these last precious moments to acknowledge your commitment to this practice, to bring that light, that magic with you in your daily life. When you are ready, put your hands down and gently open your eyes. When you are completely awake and alert, you can return to your usual activities, feeling confident and calm. Thank you. Namaste.